Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope this year is way better than 2020. And this is the very first video of 2021, and for today's video, as I said, I'll be sharing some Valentine's Day gift collection with you all. All these products are up for sale on my Wonder Wheel store as well as my Instagram store, so you can go check out the links given in my description box below if you want to order anything. And now, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing that is up on the store is this cute mini album. I have a detailed walkthrough of this album in one of my previous videos and I'll leave a link to that. But this album can hold 5 photos or messages of your choice, 5 to 7 photos or messages, and it has 5 pages, 10 sides, basically 9 sides including the cover, and every scrapbook will vary a bit depending on the pages and the embellishments available. So this is the very first thing that is up for Valentine's Day. The second thing that we have up on store are these ring roses. So this ring is not an actual ring. So this is a rose and this has a pen as well here. So you can use it as a pen as well. If you don't want a pen one, so we have this ring rose available which is without a pen as well. And you can add a ring here. So this is the ring rose that is available. The next thing that we have are these cute little heart-shaped boxes, and these will come with 4 homemade chocolates, and these box designs will vary with every order depending on the availability. So there's no choice on the selection of the design and they will come randomly. But this will include a box and 4 homemade chocolate. The next thing up on the page are these teddy sticks. So it's one complete stick that has a teddy and a rose attached here, and these rose petals are basically paper soap, so you can use these later on. The next thing available on the store are these LED boxes. So it has a battery slot here, and you can obviously change the batteries later on if they get exhausted, and you can get these LED boxes either with scrolls in them, or we have few options of pun messages that you can go for, and you can get these here. You can find the details of the pun messages and everything on our store itself, so you can check out the link. And these boxes are available in 3 colors, white, red and pink, so you can choose the color of your choice and you can select any color and get your designs done in this. The next 2 things that are up on the page are photo frames. So this is the first one. Let me just clear the space. So this is the very first photo frame that we have, and it can hold 2 photos. So you will get the photo frame and 2 photos of your choice in the frame. You just need to send us the 2 photos that you want and we'll get that done for you. And it's a table frame, so you have a stand here and you can always change the photos whenever you want, so you can easily change the photos. That provision is also available. So this is the very first frame that is available. Then we have this heart-shaped frame that is available. Again, it can hold 2 photos and you'll get the frame along with the 2 photos of your choice. And this one is a wall frame. So we have 2 hooks here, so you can easily hang it on your walls. So this is the second frame available. The next thing that we have is this 24 karat golden rose. Basically, it's gold plated and it looks really pretty. So you'll get a certificate as well, and this comes along with the box and a carry bag. The carry bag is same as the front, and this will include basically the rose, the box and the paper carry bag together, and the certificate as well. Last but not the least, we have this cute hamper up on the side, and it's a handmade felt box, and when you open it, you'll have some chocolates, and then you'll get 2 matchboxes. Now you can get these matchboxes customized according to your choice. And again, you'll have the mini scrapbook here. This scrapbook measures basically 2 inches by 2 inches. And again, this scrapbook will be customized according to the availability of sheets and embellishments. So this is the same scrapbook, but obviously you will get it according to your order. So this is the complete Valentine's Day collection that is up on our Wonder Wheel store as well as Instagram store. So you can check the links according to your convenience and place an order as soon as possible. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any queries or doubts related to any of the products, you can drop your queries in the comment section below, or you can shoot me a DM on my Instagram or Facebook. The links to both the handles are in the description box below again. And make sure you're placing the orders before the stock goes out of stock or the bookings close. So yeah, this was pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.